What is going on, everyone? 413 Bows back with another video. As you can tell, I'm hyped. Why?
Because it's time. It's time.
We're putting a soft top on my Jeep. Finally. I've wanted one for like 9 years when I had my red one. And I'm going to start by saying people are awesome. Because I put up a post. I was trying to sell my hardtop or trade for a soft top. And you know, I figured, hey, why would I not be out of pocket if I don't have to? Maybe someone's looking for a hardtop and they have a soft top. And someone reached out to me and said, hey, if you want to take a 2-hour ride, I will give you a complete soft top for free. They're like, hey, it's a little beat up. It'll get you a year or two. But at that point, you'll have the frame, you'll have the door surrounds, and you'll just have to buy the fabric. So
and that's really what we needed. We didn't have the frame or anything.
We didn't have any
we
of
got
it.
all of it.
I
Everything
ended up,
except the hardware, which we bought. $30.
Yeah, I spent about $30 on the hardware, and that's it. So I'm excited.
Oh, yeah.
I'm beyond excited. I've always wanted a soft top because if it's nice out, I don't have the top on. And I'm by myself trying to take this shit on and off all the time. And it's really annoying, and I hate putting a damn tarp on the thing and covering it, and it's annoying. It drives me nuts. So to be able to just zip the windows and fold it down, that's what I'm looking for, and I'm pumped. So we're going to install it. We got the fabric in Tyler's house up against the pellet stove getting good and hot. So...
Well, I mean, this is a first for us. We've never done this, and to be honest, we don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, I have absolutely zero experience with soft tops whatsoever.
No instructions.
No instructions.
No anything. So
we're just gonna figure it out.
Yeah,
and get it done. So
this is a learning curve for us, and if you're watching this, probably for you too.
Wish us luck, huh?
Sit back, laugh, and. Watch us struggle.
Or it could be a dream.
It could be.
But
I've got no idea.
What we are not going to do is permanently install the windows because we've got a video for that next.
Yep.
So stay tuned. Okay, so this one is on. Now that we know what we're doing, we're going to show you what we did to put it on. So that is your door surround, and the way your soft top works is your soft top has a channel, a plastic channel, and it slips into here. So, and now my uppers that were designed for a soft top should fit better, in theory. Who knows? It is a Jeep. But this is an X model. This Jeep came with a soft top from the factory, but when I bought it, it had a hard top on it. So.
Okay. So, if you come around this side, you can see right through the roll bar, there's holes.
Yep.
So
there's the hole.
So there's cutouts in the padding for the arms on the door surround.
Yep.
And there's a little hole.
There's a little hole
that this pin goes in
that
just
pin
to seat it.
There.
So
right on there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna line up that pin first. And I'm hoping that that screw we put in on that other side isn't affecting anything.
Nope, it didn't.
It didn't, right?
It sat right down on it. So there we go.
You kind of click right in.
Yeah, you can feel it kind of, but it is pushing. This side's not in. Oh, I'm about to sitting on the pad. That's why. There we go. So then we found the easiest way is for Justin to climb up there and do it from the top side. And then what I could do is I could, you know, adjust it from down here.
So what I'm looking to do is this one looks absolutely perfect. You have to line up the hole.
You can see.
Now it's kind of going hard, which means it might need a little wiggle action.
Kind of hard to see on here, but
kind of have to wiggle it until it starts to go down.
And right here you can see the pin is starting to pop through.
Yep. So you just screw this down until it's tight. I bought these off Amazon. They're pretty good. They're pretty good quality. I don't have a problem with them. I'll link them down below. All right, now this hole. Okay, now we're lined up.
Okay, perfect. So on the other side, it didn't line up good. So all I had to do is kind of pull it and twist it, and to get the bottom side to line up. But as you can see, that lined up very good.
This side was like a dream. Now we got door surrounds on.
Yep. All right. So next thing is the soft top, which is what all these are for, right? That's what these are for?
Yep.
Yeah, so it's just going to kind of clamshell around it with bolts, and we'll get there. All right? We'll be back.
So we couldn't get the top to go back in the garage, but the top is very warm. It's been in front of his pellet stove. It's really warm.
Like
so
18 hours.
Yeah. So it's like 30 degrees outside. The second we bring this outside, this is going to lose that elasticity. So this top was already together once, so all the holes are already drilled,
and it should be stretched and everything already.
It should be already good to go because it is a used top. So we're what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this over, and we're going to screw this in place. And there's like 12 screws here, and then there's one that goes here and there on that other side. Okay, so we got all the screws screwed in.
Yep.
As you can see up there, it's all screwed. There's like 10 or 12 of them. So what we're gonna do is latch the top. Fingers crossed there's no weird issues. That's like that. Now, this bar gets velcroed.
I think we can do that after.
Let's do that after. I'm gonna set you down, and we're gonna try and.
Now that we got that screwed in, let's snap it back here.
Yeah.
And then stretch it down and slip her in.
All right, so let me show them that. So this has got snaps, as you can see, maybe. These snap in. There's like 8 snaps all along here.
Yeah.
We're gonna snap that in. Alright guys, so what I got going on is this was broken, right? So I pulled this fabric way too damn tight.
Yeah.
So we're gonna loosen this up and we're gonna slide this back. And then when we get it right, we'll update you if that fixed it. Trial and error, guys. So we got it, guys. Basically, we had 2 of these screws in here that were, you really can't see. Not that that really seemed to help, but
they weren't in all the way.
Yeah, we had a couple screws that weren't in all the way here. And we
fixed the band back here.
The band back here. Yeah. So when I got this top, like I said, for free, the basically the tension band that Tyler has his fingers on was kind of broken, and I had pulled too much fabric and I screwed it in, and you just pulled too much fabric, so it's way too much tension. And you got to think this thing hasn't been on in probably a couple years, so it's on.
We did get it tight enough.
We did get it tight enough. Good. Fits good. Our door surround things are in right here.
Right in. So I think it's window time now.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do windows.
I'm thinking back window first.
So we have to basically just zip the windows in. You just zip right into here, and then there's a Velcro flap. And yeah, this one here in the back has a little roller bar. You can roll it up, and the zippers are here. And our next video is gonna be us polishing the windows and fixing a couple rips. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna give you a final video. We may do that
2 separate videos, one of patching and one of fixing.
Yeah, we're gonna give you that in the next video, but we'll give you what it looks like with the windows installed. All right, we are fully soft topped.
So we went a little crazy and just did everything off camera, but this window does not match the rest of the top.
No.
So the top and the side windows are Smitty built. The back window's Sierra off-road.
Which doesn't really matter. It does work together.
It zipped right up. It was a little funky. There's double zippers on this. So you have to have all the zippers on the left-hand side, sip it, and then bring it. And then I think you can bring it back and forth. I'm not quite sure why there's 2 zippers, but the big thing is you got to feed that bar through that window bar.
Yep.
There's a little bar built into the window. You just slide it in, center it, zip it, and then tuck these in.
And you can see how grungy these windows are.
And there's a couple
of holes here. This was free, so
yeah.
We're gonna have a video on fixing these, and we're gonna have a video on making these windows look brand new. So what we're gonna do is walk you around.
This one, a couple people said to Velcro the side, then start to zip it.
Didn't really work
that
for us.
didn't work at all for us. So all we did was we kind of just hovered it, got the zipper started, zipped it on, clipped this in all the way down, clip the bottom in, done. I mean, it's simple.
You can see all the scratches.
It's a schmegma built right up on it.
We're gonna see how good we can get these to look, but we are soft topped.
Yeah. That's it. You just repeat the thing for both sides, and
yep.
It went together like a dream.
Yeah, once we got these, once we got the 2 screws that were barely in over on here fixed, and then fixing that bar in the back that he fixed there, I had the tension bar way too tight, so it was pulling too much fabric, and that was stopping us from being able to put the bar on here, because we knew it was that because we had slack here,
so much slack.
Tons of slack here, so we knew that it couldn't have been the top. It had to have been those tension poles there, tension fabric. What are they called? Bow. What are those?
Beats me.
Bow straps? I think they're bow straps.
It's on. It's functional, and we gotta put the half doors back on, see what it looks like.
Yeah, the upper halves.
I think we're good, man.
Yeah.
She's on.
She is on. Super pumped. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Later.